Just some weeks ago I made a video about the new SurgeGraph Vertex update, but today I want to show you something new because they released a new update for SurgeGraph. It's called Wasabi 5.1 with 16 new updates. Let's take a very quick look at these updates and then I will show you some of these updates inside SurgeGraph. So, major writing quality improvement, auto-insertion of lists and tables, improved stability of keyword research and planner, editable search query before writing, added a last edited timestamp, highlight contextual terms usage available again, optimized writing progress indicator, expand collapse all button in the outline panel, fixed WordPress export issues, added information gain in listicle and product AI articles, improved the relevancy of external link suggestions, humanizer for Polish and German languages, added option to break down lengthy paragraphs, fixed language support for non-English languages, added a standalone changelog page, and some more bug fixes. I was watching for this What's New page, unfortunately it stops with Wasabi 5.0, there is no 5.1, I suppose they still have to update this page. But anyway, let's go here in the main section of SurgeGraph Vertex, and today I will try to generate a product review article. I will use this Amazon item, it's a random one, but I will use the URL from this product to generate an article review. So product name, product URL, let's paste here the URL. This is the product name. If you want, you can include your Amazon affiliate ID here, if you are an affiliate, and I suppose you are if you are generating such kind of article. Here I can choose an author for my article. Today I will use this Ava fable, ideal for content centered on personal experiences and real-life examples. I don't know if it's the best for a product review, but just for the sake of this example, I will use this one. And obviously you can create your own author with this author synthesis section. I already showed it in my previous video, if you want to go and watch for it. And now create a document. Now SurgeGraph is preparing for my next steps. Okay, so this is next step, and as you can see, there is something new in comparison with my previous video, because now you can see this is the suggested way to generate an outline, easiest and best quality, generate an outline and automatically write the long form content. But you have alternatives. For example, manually write an outline and generate an outline and manually add it to your content. I will choose this one, obviously, and click on this next button. They also fixed my issue with the previous version where with this manually one you couldn't see the next button. Now you can, even here, so this is a good fix, but I will use this one in this case. I have an automatically generated content goal in this case. If you want, you can edit and change this. In this case, I will keep this one, provide a comprehensive overview of the laptop's features and specifications, compare the laptop's performance and design with other models in the same category, analyze test results to evaluate the laptop's overall performance and user experience. Let's try to use this one. You can also regenerate the content goal by using this button. I will get rid of FAQ for the sake of this example. If you want, you can include custom command templates. I don't have any here saved. Now I have my product summary and I can build outline. Okay, perfect. So table of contents, key takeaways, introduction, display and graphics, processor and performance, memory and storage, connectivity and operating system, cooling system and design, performance comparison with other models, test results, product specification. This is a table and I can already see here in my outline where a table will be included. This is pretty cool and interesting. Buying guide, I can also see the talking point inside each one of these sections, and if you want you can obviously edit them, get rid of them, add whatever you want. I will keep these ones for this example. Conclusion, so I can click on the next button. Now I can choose different settings. I can change my author if I want. I can use only GPT-4o model. This is the best one from OpenAI. I can use different tones of voice. Let's keep SEO optimized. Content length natural, so AI will choose the length. Point of view first person singular. Creativity, let's say normal. Readability, let's get down to 7th, 8th grade. Allow Humanizer to split paragraphs for a reader-friendly flow. You can do it automatically with this check or uncheck it if you want and start writing. Now let's wait. This is new. I have this bar that tells me the progress of my generating article. This wasn't there in the previous version. I like it. And here it is. This is my article. Here, as you can see, this process will autosave each bunch of minutes. If you want, you can save now by clicking here, so you don't lose any change. My article is 2,746 words. I have 12 headings, 93 paragraphs, and this is my optimization score. Not super high, and the topic coverage is 50%, so there is room to improvement here. But let's take a very quick look at this article. I have my table of content, I have my key takeaways, I have my introduction, and as you can see, paragraphs are now shorter, so this is pretty cool because the article will be more readable. I have my title and an image of the product, and then I have my sections: display and graphics, processor and performance, memory and storage, and so on. Now I will scroll this article later because first I want to improve some of these parts. I was looking for this info gains button. If I click here, I should see some info gains highlighted in my articles, but I have 0 here. Maybe there are no info gains to be added, or maybe it's a bug, I don't know, but I have 0 in this case. So let's go to auto optimize, and as you can see, it's working. It's auto optimizing my article. This is my report. I can add contextual terms, and for the sake of this example I will accept all these ones. Then I can optimize URL, accept all, save changes, and I have external links. They should be optimized. I have an nvidia.com link, and this is the link to the product page. And remember, if you have an affiliate ID, you will find your affiliate ID already included here. Accept all. I don't have my website connected, but if you have, now you have these optimized internal links, so your internal links will be included in your article. My score has gone up to 69 with this auto optimizer. There are still some suggestions to improve SEO for this article here. And if you want, you also have this optimized custom section where you can include custom links or custom terms and keywords you want to include in your article. What is missing here, as far as I see, it's the possibility to bold these terms automatically. I don't know if they moved this option, but usually it was on the auto optimize section. Or my bad, okay. Add decorations, accept all. These are just a few terms. Usually they were way more, and as you can see, my score has gone from 69 to 72. I don't know if these decorations really make such a difference for an SEO score. It's a question, but my score now is 72. They give a high weight to these decorations. Really, I don't know if Google can give such a high rate to this one, but anyway, I have a 72 score. I still have a 50% topic coverage, so maybe this article can be even improved more. Anyway, I have a link to my product here, and now I will scroll all this article really slowly, so if you want you can stop the video and read it and see if you like how SurgeGraph Vertex is writing it. It should be better written than before because they say they have improved the writing style. I let you judge this one by reading this article if you want. Again, you can stop the video wherever you want and read all this long article. Here I have a table, as I said before. This is formatted and this is not formatted, don't know why. And I have the buying guide here. I would like to see more H3s here. I think some H3s are missing. I have H2s, but I like to see some H3s. This is another thing they can improve in this writing tool, but that's it. Now, obviously, you can generate images with AI. You need an add-on in order to do it, or you can choose from gallery. When I click here, you can upload your own images. You can search from Pixabay, something relevant. In this case, it's a review for a specific product. So I don't know, maybe we can find a laptop and search, and maybe I could add some of these images, or you can generate with AI. And as you can see, you have a standard button and an ideogram button. So this connects with ideogram, and I see I have 10 credits. So let's try to generate something really simple. Man working on a laptop. Let's keep this ratio, magic prompt on. So this is interfacing with ideogram. It's a really good AI image generator. You have some free credits, but I suppose with the add-on you can have more. Let's try to generate. Okay, I suppose it's using the free version of ideogram because it's taking quite a long time to generate this image, and this happens even in the ideogram site. You will be placed on the bottom of the queue and you need to wait for your images. So in the meantime, let's take a look at something else. By highlighting any paragraph, I can obviously edit whatever I want or use expert commands for simplifying, expanding, rewriting, write follow-up, and anything you want. You can give answers, include a table, brainstorm, FAQs, and so on. Okay, now my image from ideogram is ready, and it's pretty good because again it's generated by ideogram, one of the best AI image generators, so I pretty like it. You can add alt text if you want and so on, and you can upload your article directly to WordPress. So I see some parts have been fixed. What I would like to see again, more bolded words and keywords into these articles and more H3s. Okay, you can add your H3s in your outline before generating the article, but I would like to have them generated automatically because outline usually generates only H2s and not H3s if you don't give explicit instructions. So I would like to see H3s generated in the outline, so they will be included even in this article. And these info gains, I don't know if this is for this specific article, but I have 0 here. And these are the new updates for SurgeGraphs. Obviously, some of this one I can't show you. For example, the fixed language for non-English languages, because I used English, or the humanizer for Polish and German languages, and so on. This is a SurgeGraph site. Obviously, you can find the link in the description if you want. They still have this Black Friday deal available, but I don't know if it will be available when I release or when you are watching this video. So these are the pricing plans. If you just want 1 month, this is the price, $49.99 with 30 credits each month, so you can generate 30 articles. But the best plans are the 1-year plan. Price goes way down for $29.92 per month, or the 3 years plan. Price goes to $19.42 per month. And then you have this AI image generator add-on if you want, for $5 monthly and 500 credits, but here you can choose the credits you want and the price will change accordingly. That's it for this update for SurgeGraph Vertex. If you enjoyed this video, hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can click here and watch for my previous SurgeGraph Vertex video, so you can see my review for it. Thank you very much for watching until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.